What's up everyone, MKBHD here, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something a little different. We're not unboxing the latest smartphone or reviewing a new electric car. Instead, we're looking at a tool that can help you start your own online business. We're talking about AliExpress. A lot of you have asked for more content on e-commerce and how to get started. So, I thought it would be a good idea to walk you through the process step by step. It's simpler than you might think, and we're going to break it all down. Before we get into the details, I have a quick favor to ask. If you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to create more content like this for you. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be interested in starting an online store. Your support means a lot, and it lets me know what kind of videos you want to see more of, so click those buttons and let's get right into it. We're going to make this process super clear and easy to follow. So, let's talk about what we're going to cover today. The main goal is to show you exactly how to create a seller account on AliExpress. I'll guide you through every single screen and every single button you need to click. We'll start from the very beginning, assuming you know nothing about the platform. This guide is for beginners, so don't worry if you feel a little lost. By the end of this, you will have a brand new seller account ready to go. We'll make sure there are no surprises along the way. It's all about taking that first step. The process is straightforward, but there are a few key things you need to pay attention to. We'll go over choosing the right options during registration, filling out your business information correctly, and even some tips for picking a good name for your store. Think of this as your personal guide to getting set up on one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in the world. So grab a drink, open up your laptop, and let's build your AliExpress store together. It's time to turn your idea into a real functioning online business. Let's begin. First things first, what exactly is AliExpress? You've probably heard of it as a place to buy things for really low prices. And that's true, it's a huge online marketplace owned by the Alibaba Group. But it's not just for buying, it's also a massive platform for sellers to reach customers all over the world. Think of it like a giant digital mall that is open 24/7. Millions of people visit the site every single day looking for products. This creates a huge opportunity for anyone who wants to sell online. It connects manufacturers and sellers directly with buyers globally. So, why would you want to sell on AliExpress? The biggest reason is the massive audience. You get instant access to a global customer base. You don't have to spend a lot of money on advertising to find customers because they are already on the platform. Another great reason is the low barrier to entry. It's relatively easy and inexpensive to set up a store compared to building your own website from scratch. AliExpress provides the tools you need to list products, manage orders, and handle payments. This makes it a great starting point for new entrepreneurs. Another key advantage is the platform's infrastructure. AliExpress handles the complicated stuff like payment processing in different currencies. This means you can sell to someone in Brazil, Spain, or Australia without worrying about how you'll get paid. They have a secure system that protects both you and the buyer. They also have systems for shipping and logistics, which can simplify how you send your products to customers. This lets you focus on the important things like finding great products to sell and providing good customer service. It's a complete ecosystem for e-commerce. In short, AliExpress is a powerful platform for anyone looking to start an e-commerce business. It's perfect for those who want to reach a lot of people without a huge initial investment. Whether you are creating your own products or sourcing them from suppliers, this platform can be your digital storefront. It gives you the reach of a major corporation. Even if you're just a one-person operation working from your home, the potential to grow your business is huge. Now that you know why it's a good idea, let's get into the actual steps of setting up your account. Alright, let's get into the main event. Creating your account. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to the AliExpress seller website. You can just search for AliExpress Seller Center or go to sell.aliexpress.com. Be careful to go to the seller page, not the regular buyer homepage. The seller portal looks a bit more professional and business focused. Once you're there, you'll see a big button that says Join AliExpress or Register Now. That's the button you want to click. This is your starting point for the entire journey. After you click to register, you will be taken to a new page. Here, you will need to choose your country or region where your business is registered. This is a very important step, so make sure you select the correct one. The options and requirements might change slightly depending on the country you choose. After selecting your country, You will need to enter your email address and create a password for your account. Make sure you use a strong password to keep your account secure. This is your business, so security is key. Double-check your email address for typos before you move on. Next, you'll see a form asking for your business information. This is where you need to be very careful and enter everything correctly. You will likely need to provide your company's legal name, registration number, and official address. AliExpress needs this information to verify that you are a legitimate business. They might also ask you to upload documents like your business license or tax registration certificate. Have these documents scanned and ready on your computer to make the process smoother. This verification step is important for building trust on the platform, so take your time and get it right. Once you've filled out all the required information and uploaded your documents, the final step in this stage is to confirm your email address. AliExpress will send a verification link or a code to the email you provided earlier. You need to open your email, find that message, and click the link or enter the code to confirm that the email address belongs to you. This is a standard security measure. After your email is verified, your application will be submitted for review. The AliExpress team will check your documents, and this can take a few business days. While you wait for your account to be approved, you can start thinking about your store. One of the first things you'll set up is your store name. This is important because it's how customers will find and remember you. Try to choose a name that is simple, memorable, and related to the products you plan to sell. A good store name sounds professional and trustworthy. Avoid using random numbers or complex words. Check if the name is already taken. A unique and catchy name can make a big difference in how customers perceive your brand and your business. Once your account is approved, you will get full access to the Seller Center. This is your dashboard for everything related to your store. It might look a little overwhelming at first, but take some time to explore it. You'll see sections for listing products, managing orders, viewing your earnings, and communicating with customers. Your next step should be to fill out your store profile completely. This includes adding a store logo and writing a short description about your business. A complete profile makes your store look more professional and can help you build trust with potential buyers. This is also the time to set up your payment information. You need to link a bank account where you will receive your earnings from AliExpress. Go to the finance section of the Seller Center and follow the instructions to add your payment method. Make sure all the details are accurate to avoid any delays in getting paid. This step is crucial for the financial side of your business, so double-check everything. The platform offers secure ways to handle this, ensuring your money gets to you safely after a customer's order is completed and confirmed. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully created your AliExpress seller account and set up the basics of your store. From here, your journey is all about finding products, creating great listings, and providing excellent service to your customers. It takes time and effort, but you've already completed the first and most important step. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go, so there you have it. Go ahead, follow these steps and start your seller journey on AliExpress today. You've got this. Peace.